Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing about the practical usage of digital aura scanner and how to check aura of a person. So here we will be demonstrating you about the usage of aura scanner through a photograph scanning. Similarly, you have to use this for a person's aura checking. So here we have a photograph. So through this photograph we will be doing aura scanning of this person. So first of all we need the photograph or a person to scan the aura. Next his details which we will be entering in the mobile phone as you can see on the screen. So now we will be submitting this form and starting the aura scanning. So first of all we will be turning on the device. Once we turn on the device we will be connecting it with the Bluetooth. So here both the devices are turned on as you can see on the screen, and we will be connecting it through Bluetooth. One by one both the devices will be connected, and as we connect the device we can see connected written over here. So now we will be taking the photograph scanning device. So one end of the photograph scanning device has to be connected in this manner and another end has to be connected with the machine. So here you will be getting a very long cable. So here we have to connect it like this. Once it is connected, you can start the aura scanning. For another machine also we have to connect it. So here we have to connect it like this. So here it is connected. So now how to keep photograph and the aura scanning, the photograph scanning device. Here is the photograph. Here is the device. Keep it like this. Got it? So here we have to keep it like this. Now we have to use the machine in the similar manner as we used in the previous videos. So click on astrology. First of all, always check the positive energy of the person and the negative energy of the person, so you can know what other dosh his aura has. So first of all we will be checking the positive energy. Lift the machine. After clicking the category, then the aura scanning starts. So once we get the beep again, the aura scanning will stop. It's So now we got his positive energy as 83%. So we will be checking his negative energy now. Always try to keep the machine stable and the movement will happen itself. Here his negative energy is 62%. So now we have to know that 0 to 100 positive energy is always different and 0 to 100 negative energy is always different. And whenever you are doing aura scanning, just remember to lift the machine slowly and steadily. Once you hold it like this, then the aura scanning starts. So like now, I haven't clicked any category or anything in my mobile phone, so the machine is stable. You can also see my hands. So now we will be checking whether his aura has any kind of dosh or not. So we are checking for nazar dosh. He has 100% of nazar dosh. So here his aura has a nazar dosh of 92%. Now we will be checking his bandhan dosh, that means black magic, whether his aura is affected with any kind of black magic or not. Now we can see his aura has 100% of bandhan dosh. Now we will talk about remedy. So for remedy, we have this aura booster which we will be adding to his aura through photograph only and then checking again for the result in value 2 option. So now we will be checking nazar dosh again and the bandhan dosh again, and this aura booster will be kept on his photograph. Now we have a result of 33%. Now we will check for bandhan dosh. So bandhan dosh is reduced to 6%. So just by adding this aura booster to your aura and keeping it with you for day and night helps you to remove nazar dosh and bandhan dosh. Also we will be checking his positive energy again, whether it is increased or not. So now his positive energy is increased 200%. So now we will be checking his chakras. So chakras means the more the chakra opens, the more the chakra is active. So now we will check for Mooladhara chakra, how much the Mooladhara chakra is active. So we got a result of 86%. That means the Mooladhara chakra is 86% balanced. Now we are checking for sacral chakra. So his sacral chakra is 59% balanced. Now we will be checking for heart chakra. So his heart chakra is 92% balanced. Now we will be checking for throat chakra. Again, his throat chakra is 92% balanced. Now we will check for third eye chakra. Third eye chakra is 57% balanced. So here we can see that this person already wears a specs. So now we will be checking for crown chakra. Crown chakra is 75% balanced. Now we will be checking for Manipura chakra. Manipur chakra is 97% balanced. So this is how we do chakra scanning. So in next video we will be telling you about how to do planets scanning. Thank you.